Hi everyone, it's Sandy here. I have some projects I want to show you guys, and these projects are just some ideas that you could also do in your projects, and it's using these page tab die shapes. I have these in my Etsy store that I've already pre-cut, and they come in a pack of 30 pieces, and you get a random pack of really pretty prints in the pack, and some of these page tab die shapes also come either have double-sided prints or single-sided prints. So like this one is double-sided, and then some of them you might get them just as a single-sided print. But these are really fun little shape dies that you could use in different kinds of projects other than just using as a page tab. For example, like this one on the edge of your pages or your journaling books, or you can use them as for your mini file folders, and just place them wherever you like. But I want to show you guys some other ideas that you could also use these tab die shapes as well in your projects. So this is one of the ways you could use them, and just placing them on the edge of your papers. And I've also done one here in one of my other projects, which you probably already had seen this project in a previous video. It's a double pocket flipbook mini folder, and I'll place my tab on the edge here to also just decorate the flipbook and just give it a nice a fun way to finish off the book as well. And another way I've also used these tab dies, I'll just show you the die as well. So it's this one here, and some of the other ways I've used them was to make them into like a tag shape. So I've just placed them on top of a piece of cardstock, and then just adhere it to the top, and it looks like a tag. And then I just punched a hole on the top and added some string, and that's another way you could use your page tab dies. What else have I done? You could also use them to use as your packaging as a bag topper, like I've got here. I haven't got anything in these little seal bags, but just to demonstrate how you can use these bag toppers. And you can use them in any different size packaging. This is a larger one, and I'll just show you. You just simply fold that in half. There's a score line in the middle there. Oh no, there isn't, sorry. The end here just indicates where you need to fold it, and then you just place it onto the top of your seal bag. I tend to keep my seal at the bottom so it's easy to open there, and then you've still got that nice bag topper sitting on the top, and just placing some double-sided tape strip onto the edge here, and then you just adhere it to the top. So it doesn't really matter what size your packaging is, it still looks really pretty as a nice little bag topper as well. And then you can do that. And I've also embellished my little tabs as well for me to use as bag toppers like that. So it's another fun way to use some of your scraps or some of your little embellishments, and you can make these cute little embellished page tab, or you can use them as toppers, like or you can use these on the end of your file folders or your pages. So you can place that on the end there like that, and that will still look nice to decorate your booklet, or you can have it on the top that way. So that's another way you can do it. And I'll just show you a couple more that I've put together. This is another cute one, and these are also some of my little word sentiments. You've probably also seen these in a lot of my projects. This is another fun one, and so quick to make. Just use your scraps and just layer them, and then you've got a few of these when you need them for your projects. So that's another way you can use your your page tab dies. I've also used them as a hinge for my flip books. As you can see, that's just here in the between the two pages. And I did do a tutorial on this flip book in one of my other videos, so you can use these tabs as a hinge. I used 3 tabs for this one. And also you can make them on your altered paper clips. And these altered paper clips, I did use the Cocoa Vanilla paper collection. It's their More Than Words collection. I had some bits of pieces of papers left, so I'd made them into these altered paper clips, and that's where I placed the tabs, just on the top. And then you can use these in your journaling pages, send them off as gifts, and place them in one of these little packaging like that. And then you can then also place another one on the top there once you've got that inside. So that's another way you can give these to your crafty friends. And these are another fun way. You can just use your scraps to make these altered clips. And I'll just show you how to do this one. All I've done was I used a 50mm size paper clip and one of my tabs, and just any of your scrap pieces of paper that you have that you want to use to adhere it to the tab, sorry. So I'm just going to fold that and placing it on the clip. So you want the part that you're going to slide through will be facing that way, and this will just slide through inside the clip. So then that'll sit in there like that. And I'm just going to place a bit of glue to the end of the tab shape, just along like that. You can use double-sided tape as well. So just to the end, and then you place your piece of paper that you're going to use to embellish just there in the middle or wherever you like, and then just press that down, and that will give you your part here that you can use to embellish. So that is another fun way you can use these cute little page tabs. So I just wanted to show you some ways you could use these tabs without, instead of just using them as your page tab. And I do have them in my store. We'll put the link down below for you if you don't have the die or you'd like to purchase some of them from my store. And I will see you all in my next video, and I hope you enjoyed this project share. Bye.